Gumroad just sent an email saying that PayPal has suspended Gumroad's use of their service. This means that you can no longer use PayPal to receive payments from the profit you gain selling digital products in Gumroad. Honestly, this is extremely sudden and I was panicking when I saw this email because it means I would no longer receive my profit that I get from that one sale every month. Don't laugh, alright? Money is money. Anyways, after trying to figure out what are the alternatives payout method to receive my non-existent profit, there are a few options. You can use Stripe, but only where Stripe operates. And it just so happens that I live in Malaysia, which is one of the countries that doesn't support Stripe. The next option is using bank account or direct bank transfers. Unfortunately, there are also some countries that Gumroad has not yet support, and surprise, one of the countries that isn't supported is also Malaysia. Gumroad did say that they will roll out the bank transfer feature in the coming days and weeks for these few countries. I'm not sure how long is days and weeks. It could be months or 516 weeks for all we know. And of course, for those countries that isn't listed, I guess it would be longer. So if you are in the minority like I am, the last option, which honestly I have no clue it actually works or not because I haven't got any sales, but basically in the Gumroad email, it says that if you are based in the country that isn't supported yet, you can change your country to one where you have identity verification and a bank account. I don't have identity verification on any other countries, but I do have a bank information in the US, which pretty much anybody can get it to by clicking a few buttons. I'm using the Wise app. I know now there are some issues with getting the US bank information, but you can just get other countries' bank information that Gumroad supports instead. If you don't know what Wise is, it is basically a platform that people are using now to convert their money to different currencies online. I'll explain about it more later, but basically you just have to add the currency for the country that Gumroad support. Then you click on balance because we want to receive money, then select the currency. I'll select GBP, which is UK's currency. I know my geography. After that, it should appear in your homepage. Click on it. You will see the Get Account Details button here. Click on it and wait for a while. Mine took about 1 minute. Now you can see your account details, and in Gumroad, just change the country to the currency you selected. In this case, I already entered my US account details. They did ask for my last 4 digits of SSN, which I guess that's where the identity verification comes in, and I don't have it. I still fill up all the information I can regardless and clicked on update settings anyways. It did give me some kind of error, but I just clicked on it a few more times, and after restarting the page, somehow the bank information is saved. So I have no clue if it actually works or not because I don't have any sale coming in. But if you want me to verify this method, buy my Multi-Habit Notion template in Gumroad. Link is in the description below and I will update you immediately. Thank you. So do try out this method, and if you want to create a Wise account, I'm not sponsored by them, but I do have an affiliate link down below. You can use it to earn some money while helping me earn money too. They are transparent with their fees, unlike PayPal. It supports a lot of different countries and it actually has good exchange rate too. Gumroad is one of my 4 income sources to eventually reach $30,000 a month. Here is the video where I talk about reaching this insane goal. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.